Mic check, mic check, mic check. You're welcome to Club 9. My name is Lahari. It's another beautiful night where we share more ideas with ourselves. So if you were with me last night, by now you should be in good profits. Okay? So today I'll be sharing with you how you can take trades, how you can understand what amount to risk. Yes, let's focus on that for now. What amount to risk for your trade, irrespective of your capital. Okay? Yeah. So if you can hear me loudly, just send hi on the comment section. Drop hi on the comment section, guys. Drop hi on the comment section. Okay? Drop hi on the comment section. Then I will be able to respond to that. So I believe you all have a Bybit account, and if you don't have, it's we have one on my Telegram channel. Just use that. Just use the link to register your own Bybit account. So this is my Bybit account. So from here, I will be able to use this platform to explain to you how you can take trades. If you're using any other platform, just let me know. Then I can probably go to the platform. So if you're using Binance or you're using KuCoin or Huobi, then I will be able to assist you. But I can assure you that they are almost the same thing. Most of these platforms, they have the same workflow model, so you don't have to stress yourself. Okay, now in terms of trading, make sure you're on your own page. On the lower area of your chart, just click on derivatives. Then that's where you see your chart. So if you can see my screen, this is it. This is the derivatives. Then I have this. Let me show you. So from yesterday up to this time, if you've been following the trade, then I so much believe you have made some cool money. Yes, I'm very, very sure about that. Very, very sure about that. Let me bring out my pencil. Okay. This is it. So I'm now using this. Okay. Yep. So here, if you can see my screen, click on this place. Okay. Click on it. And it will bring out the full list of all the coins that are listed on futures for you. You can pick any other one to trade. So you can also filter. So this is the name of the coin. This is the price. And this is the percentage within 24 hours. Within 24 hours, this coin, BTC, has done about 0.58%. Ethereum has done about 1.18%. That's on the minus, negative. Now, what we're trying to do is we want to filter top gainers and top losers, right? So click on 24 hours change, which is this. Click here. So when you click, it's display top gainers. Displays top gainers for the day within 24 hours. When you click the same button, which is this, it displays top losers. Top losers. So if I have to go through the list of top losers, we have Popcats, Peng, Combo, Bendog, Bendog. Then we have Lai, Bean. So it goes on and on and on all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way, right? So if you click on the list again, it comes back to default, where you see Bitcoin, Ethereum, MNT, GMT, or Optimism, and Luna 2. Okay, so that's just the way it works. Click on it again, it's going to show you the top gainers all the way. It shows you the top losers, then default. So that's the first thing. Now, if you've gone through my beginners to pro, then you will understand that in terms of trading, you need to understand how to navigate your exchange. Okay, navigate your exchange. Then you can also decide either you want to become a multi-coin trader or you want to become a single coin trader. That's actually very, very important. Either you want to become a multi-coin trader or single coin trader. So let's see. So if you are a multi-coin trader, that simply means you trade multiple coins, right? You can trade any coin irrespective of the fact that you can analyze the coin, you can trade it. If you're a single coin trader, then this is more or less like you have a particular coin, one or two, maximum. On the maximum, 3 coins on the maximum. So that makes you a single coin trader. So that's it. So now this is my own recommendation. If you are a beginner, it's recommended you become a single coin trader and also become a scalper. Single coin trader and a scalper. Single coin trader and a scalper. So take note of this. Then as you grow in this space, you can move all the way to becoming a multi-coin trader and a day trader. Okay, so that's just the hierarchy. If you can go through the hierarchy, I can assure you that you will do well. Now don't forget that with Club 9 we deal with 3 different sets of traders: the beginner trader, the advanced trader, and the master trader. If you're a beginner trader, we recommend you join the beginners class. We have some set of videos for beginners. You're going to watch them. After watching all those videos will help you to ensure that you continue to learn on how to trade. That's very, very important. Okay, if you're an advanced trader, simply means you've learned up to some level and you want to become a professional trader, and there are steps in doing this. If you want to become an advanced trader, make sure you don't miss my class on daily basis. We have 11 a.m. class Nigerian time in the morning. We also have 11 p.m. Nigerian time in the evening. So anyone that suits you, join us, and I can assure you that you're going to learn a lot from it. So let's pick BTC. Now this is the BTC chart. Before I jump into the analysis, let us do one or two navigation around this. So on the bottom, this area, okay, can you see that? We have home, we have market, we have derivatives, and we have trade. The last one is asset. Now for home, it shows you the full information on the home page. You can go for bybit N, Now, if you're going for bybit N, that simply means you're an investor. If you can also go for the Web3, right? If you want to become anonymous, you want to keep your money on Web3 platform, then that's good. We have the reward hub. You have invite friends. We have copy trading. Then we also have robots, P2P trading, and more. So we have this bybit N, Web3, reward hub, invite friends, copy trading, trading robot, P2P trading, then more. Okay. If you want to see more functionalities, then you have to click on more. Then it will probably show you other features. So we can explore all these later. But I'm just trying to explain the home page for you. Yes. So the next thing you want to do, if you want to take a trade, let's start all the way from market. So market has the list of all the coins that are listed on Bybit. So we have favorites, we have spots, we have derivatives, data, and letter pad. Then the next place you want to go is spots. So this is where all the coins are being listed. And most of the coins are being categorized. We have new, we have trending, zero fees, adventure zone, Solana ecosystem, Ethereum ecosystem, BTC ecosystem, AI, model BTC, Big Pin, LSD, DeFi, GameFi, inspections, meme coins, proof of work, stable coins, innovation zone. You can see there are different categories. So every coin represents a section. Okay, so that's just the way it is. You can go on and on like that. So we still have EPT, leverage tokens. We also have margin trading, launch pool, launch pad. So all the way, it all depends on what you want. Now, first and foremost, we start from Holla. Okay, so you can see all the lists. These are full lists. So this is, click on Holla. This is it. Holla. Here, can you see that? So when you click on Holla, it brings out all the coins that have been listed irrespective of the category. So the next thing you want to do is go to BTC or any other coin you want to trade. Now, don't forget, this is spot trading. This is spot trading, okay? So here, you can use Bybit charts to analyze if you're used to this, or you want to use trading view. So this is trading view, if you can see my screen. Okay, this is trading view. They probably have the same thing. There's no difference. It's just a matter of what, you love to use. Any other one. If you love to use trading view, is fine. If you love to use Bybit, is also fine. Now on Bybit, this is where we have the list of all the coins. Now, if you are trading on spot, I usually tell you guys that you are an investor. Don't see yourself as a trader. Okay, the reason is simply because when you're trading on spots, you're thinking of long term, and immediately you're thinking of long term, that automatically an investor. But if you're a trader, you're thinking of short term, how you can quickly take advantage of small movement in the market and make profit. So that's short term. Don't mix everything together. So here you have buy, you have sell, right? For a spot trader, you want to buy when the markets go low, you want to sell when the market goes high. So that automatically you've made profit. That's just the way it is. So when you click on buy, it opens this interface for you. The interface has different sections. We have the chart, we have the trade, we have the buy, we have the sell, we have the limits. You can also change it if you want market order. That's fine. Then this is where you set your price. This is the current price. This is where you set the quantity you want to buy. You can also set the quantity based on range. You use this based on range. Then automatically when you're setting the range, it shows you the value you're buying automatically. Then when you're done setting all those things, you click on buy. So let's go through this process again. So first and foremost, if you want to buy the current price, that's fine. If you want to buy at a particular price, so let's with the look of the chart, I want to buy at let's see this. I want to buy BTC at 69,581. 69,581. Okay, that's exactly the price I want to buy. So automatically, since the current market is not at that price, I will need to set a limit order. So click on trade. So this is limit order already. Limit order. Then the price I want to buy is 69 622. Okay, 69,622. So let's go to the trade. Just impute the amounts. 69,622. Okay, that's the price. So because you're using limit order, immediately Bitcoin get to that price, it will trigger your order to buy BTC. Okay, so the question is, how many quantity do you want? Okay, so maybe make sure you've already found your account. So here, this will show the amount you have. Then you can now increase based on percentage. Okay, you want to use 5% of your entire capital to buy BTC. It will purchase it for you. Then after that, you want to click on buy. Now, immediately you click on buy, it will not purchase the coin for you instantly. Okay, it will set the price to 69,622. After that, whenever Bitcoin gets to that price, the buy order will trigger. That's just the way it works, because you set the limit order. If you don't set the limit order, then the other option that you have is what? Market order. This will allow you to buy the commodity or the assets at that time instantly. It purchases the coin for you instantly. It doesn't waste time. Okay, so these are the two major options that you have to carry out this purchase. Then you can also set limit order for your sell. Just click on this. Okay, carry out the same process. So here you will select limit order. So at what price do you want to sell BTC? Go back to your charts. Then if you buy at 69,655, if you buy at that price, then maybe you want to sell at 71,610. Come back to your trade. Then just put it there at 71,610. Okay. Then if you want to sell 100%, just drag this all the way to 100%. If you want to sell half of your for portfolio, that's fine. Just put it to 50%. So if it's on 50%, it will only sell 50% of your portfolio based on BTC order that you have purchased. So if that's what you want, that's fine. Just click on sell. So when you click on sell, there will be a pending order. The order will be pending until BTC get to that price. Then the sell order will trigger. If BTC doesn't get to that price, the sell order will not trigger. Okay, so that's the way it is. So that's for trading on spots. Okay, trading on spots. That's just the way it works. Now for futures, this is no more dynamic. You need to pay a lot of attention to this. You need to pay a lot of attention to this. So let's go. So on the lower tab, you click on derivatives. So I'm going to take my time to explain this because this is where a lot of people miss it and they fail to apply what we call the risk management model. I'm going to be explaining how to ensure you are able to follow your risk management. You see, when it comes to spot trading, your risk is very minimal. When it comes to futures trading, your risk is very, very high. Yes, you have to be in control. You don't have to let the market control your earnings. You have to be the one that will be in control. If not, you won't like the outcome at all. You will not like the outcome. Okay? But just because you want to get good results, and that's why you are here, as you pay attention, I hope you follow the process as it is. Now, this is the chart. As a futures trader, I usually recommend you use the trading view. If you don't have the trading view, I have the video that will teach you on how trading view works. Yeah. So let's go all the way. So currently we are on derivatives. Then let's move to trade. On the trade, we have leverage. We have leverage. This is it here. 10x. You can see that it's already showing 10x. Then here we have cross. So I'll explain how all this thing works. Now for leverage, this is a means of borrowing money from your exchange to open a position. That's leverage. Now, if you do 10x, that will be 10x times 10x times your total capital. Might check 1 minute. Yeah, might check. So let's continue. So here I was explaining leverage. So currently as it is, we are currently on 10x. Now, how does leverage really works? When you leverage, that simply means you're borrowing money from your exchange to carry out, to open positions. Okay? So you could either open long position or open short positions. That's just the way it works. Now, if you have $100 as your total capital, if you're on 10x, so you will have 10 times 100. That will be your total balance, which is how much? $1,000. So you'll be giving $1,000 to trade. Okay? So that's how you leverage on the exchange capital. You can also increase all the way to 100x. It all depends on what you want and how you can manage your risk. So this is 10%. You can go all the way, just drag it up, go all the way to 20. This is 20x. Can you see this 20x? 20. Okay, you can go all the way to 50x. This 50x. Can you see that? And for BTC, you can go all the way to 100x. Wow, that is ridiculous. Okay, what does that mean? That simply means if you have $100 with BTC, you're going to be giving $10,000. $10,000 to trade if you're using 100x. Okay, so that's a lot of advantage. Don't forget, as you can make huge profits on leverage, you can also make huge loss on leverage. It's vice versa. It all depends on which of the side that favors you, either the long position or the short position. Okay, so that's it. So please, if you can hear me on the comment section, please drop I in the comment section. Let me know that yes, we are together. We are together here. Okay, just drop hi on the comment section. Drop hi on the comment section, guys. Okay, just drop I in the comment section. Let me know we're together. Yeah, so after this, so since you already understand leverage, the next thing I want to explain to you is capital protection. So there are two ways you can protect your capital. We have cross. This is it. So let me click on this. Click on this place. Can you see that? Click on this place. Click on it. Then we have cross. We also have margin. Okay, we have cross. We also have, or you can call it isolated margin. Let me explain how it works. Now, for isolated margin, it simply means if you have $100, your total capital is $100, and you want to expose just $10 to the market, then you have the remaining you're going to have will be $90, right? If you're using isolated margin, only your $10 is at risk. Only $10 is at risk. No any other amount is at risk. If anything happened to that trade, you will only lose $10. And if any good thing happened to the trade, you will only make profit based on your leverage and your margin and your take profit. Okay? But when it comes to the negative side, you will only lose $10, or you want to use stop loss. It all depends on your choice. So when we get to the chart, you will understand how to use stop loss and take profit. Now the next one will be cross margin. Now cross margin, this is we call it higher risk, right? So if you have $100 as your capital and you're using $10 as your margin, $10, not only $10 is at risk, the entire $100 is at risk. The only difference between the two is because on isolated margin, you are very close to liquidation. For cross margin, you are very far from liquidation. But sometimes market can go crazy, and who says you can't just lose everything just like that? Because the cryptocurrency is very, very volatile. Just note that it's very, very volatile, and you need to put this into consideration. So most of my students will usually ask me, which is the best? Which is the best? Is it isolated or is it cross margin? As for me, I usually tell you guys that try as much as you can to practice with both. Then you know what works for you. Trading is not about the best thing. Trading is about what works for individuals. As for me, cross might work for me and isolated might work for you. So that's how trading works. Okay? So put both of them into practice. Then you will understand what works for you. Okay? So that's just the way it is. I think this is new. This is new, but we'll look into that later. But the most important thing that we have now is cross margin and isolated margin. Okay? Yeah. So, but as for me, probably I'm used to cross margin because I have stop loss. So in case my trade goes against me, it will hit my stop loss and I'll be out. It doesn't have to doesn't have to take all my profit or all my capital before I close the trade. If it hits my stop loss, then I'm cool. So that's it. So the next thing will be market order or limit order. It's just the same thing the way I explained on the spot trading. On futures trading, they are almost the same thing. Okay. Some of the things that are different from spot trading and futures trading is, on spot trading you can only trade on one way, which is buy low, sell high. On futures trading you can trade on both sides. If the market is going down, you can take advantage to make profit. If the market is going up, you can also take advantage to make profits. That's it. Okay. Then on the futures, you can leverage, and you can also use either cross margin or isolated margin. That is it. Every other thing, they are the same. Now another thing is, on futures you can carry out both buy order and sell order. This is what we call hedging. It is what we call hedging. I have videos that have explained all these things on YouTube. So guys, when we are done, you can just explore my YouTube page. It will explain to you how I usually explain all these things, and you can watch the videos. Okay. But another plan is, I'm planning to release more videos that will explain majority of these things on how to go about it, just for my new members and for those who are just coming into this industry to learn. Okay. But the next thing you want to do is, you want to pick either market order or limit order, depending on your strategy. If your strategy says wait, place a limit order, then you want to do that. So let me show you guys. Let's go to the chart. So this is BTC chart, right? BTC chart. Now, if I have to analyze BTC chart, I can see something cool. So here, I will push to this area. The next thing this is a double top on the 4 hours time frame. Then I also push to the neckline. So let me show you guys. So this is still a downtrend as far as I'm concerned. This is still a downtrend. Now you want to go like this: uptrend, pull back, uptrend, pull back, uptrend, pull back. Can you see that? This is straightforward. Double top from the neckline. When it pushes back all the way here, down. I and my team, we have made money based on this structure. I showed them everything. This is hot cake for us already. This is hot cake, and I believe that even in the masterclass by now, we should be talking about profit. Okay. So here, I can decide to set my limit order to 71,051. This is it. This yellow line. This can be. So as we speak, the current market price is at 70,888. Right? Since the market is not there yet, I can decide to set my limit order all the way to 71,015. So that's the advantage of setting a limit order. Setting a limit order. Okay. So let's go all the way back to our chart to here. So here, if you have market price, it simply means you want to buy at the current price, irrespective of the price. You just want to buy the coin. And the other one, it will be limit. Limit order simply means you want to buy at a particular price. Just impute the price here. Okay. After you have input the price, the next thing you want to specify the quantity you want to buy. So now for futures, I will advise follow this step I'm going to show you. Click on this button. Click here. These 3 dots. Just click here. Can you see that? Just click on these 3 buttons. So after clicking, click on trading preferences. Trading preferences. Click on it. Yeah. So here you can see that we have position mode is set to one way. Click on it. Then set it to edge. Set it to edge. Okay. Edge. Then click on apply to all USDT perpetual pairs. Click on it. So So you probably don't need to come back to this page to do this again for all the coins, okay? So click on OK. Now I'm going to tell you the advantage of this that I've just done. Now, if you click on this place, if you click on this, then it's going to show you 3 options. You can set your margin based on the quantity in BTC, okay? In BTC, which is usually confusing for a lot of traders. You can set your margin based on leverage, okay? Based on, it's usually called order by value. The next one will now be order by cost. This is my favorite. I usually recommend this for my my traders. Order by cost. Order by cost. So confirm. Now, order by cost is very, very easy. If you have $100 and your plan is to trade with just 5%, which is $5, just input the $5 inside your cost. That's all. You're done. Very easy and straightforward. Very easy and straightforward. So when you're done with that, anyway, depending on your analysis, then you just click on either buy or sell. So when you're done with this, just wait for your order to trigger. Right? Wait for your order to trigger. If you're going short, just click on open short. If you're going long, just click on open long, and that's all. Now, another thing you need to do is set your stop loss and take profit. So let's go to our chart. So on the chart, I'm going to do this. So here I will come all the way. I will use what we call the short position. Short position. This is it. I'll click on it. Click. Then place it on my entry. Then this is my TP1. This is my TP1. If I have to carry out this trade at this time, this is my TP1. This is my stop loss. Then this is my TP2. If I'm going to decide to hold this trade beyond my TP1. So let's go. So here, this is my TP2 here. Yeah, so my TP2 is around 1.9%. But let's just run it up to 2%. Yes, this is 2%. So this is my prediction for BTC. But I'll still come to analysis. Not yet. Okay, so you can set your TP1. You can try to say if we get to TP1, sell 50%. Okay, if we get to TP2, sell 100% of my margin. My margin. Don't forget. Now, when it comes to futures trading, when you have $100, it is not ideal to trade with the entire capital. It's not ideal. Okay, it simply means you are not practicing proper risk management. And if you don't practice proper risk management, you are likely to lose your entire capital. It is like a guarantee. It's like guarantee. Even if you have to make money, it will be by luck. And here, we try as much as we can not to work based on luck. We work based on what you've learned and carry out all the process step by step. Okay? So that's it. So here, we're not going to take any trade for today. The only thing I'm going to do is to give you guys signals based on different coins. So guys, if you have any signal you want to, any coin you want to analyze, you can drop it. So I'm going to start with BTC. So for BTC, yeah, already this is my prediction for BTC. Now look at this, pay attention please. For BTC, if any candle close above 71,051, I will close the short position. I will close the short position, okay? So that's it. This is my prediction for BTC. So let's go into other coins so that we can explore them. So drop your coins. Drop your coins. Let me check. Drop your coins if you want to do analysis. on any of your coins. Drop, drop, drop. So while I'm waiting for you guys, then I'm going to analyze other coins. Okay, I'm going to analyze other coins.
Okay.
I'm going to analyze other coins. Yep. Okay, so you want me to analyze? Okay, I've seen your charts. You want me to analyze? Okay, Samuel, you said your network is very bad. Just take hearts, and maybe you probably want to refresh your internet. Then here, okay, IOTX. Let's check IOTX. IOTX. Let's check it out. Okay. IOTX. This is it. Okay. Yeah. So automatically, there's no stress. You don't even stress yourself. This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend, except the market wants to manipulate. Can you see that? This is a downtrend, my brother. This is a downtrend. Can you see that? I've already marked the high. I've also marked the low. But this is your potential TP. Now, if you're already on this trade, I believe you're on short position. If you're not on short position, then your long position, you need to close it. You need to close your long position. Yes. And this coin has been doing pretty well. And I can see a lot of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows like that. You can see all the way from here, all the way. This is very, very fantastic, right? Can you see that? So it's been going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like that. Yes. Okay. If I'm going to use a trend line for this, so all the way from here, right? Yes. So my breakout section will be around, let me show you. For me to consider short position. Yes. Yeah, I guess it's somewhere here. Somewhere at the current price for this coin is at 0.0624. And for you to consider a downtrend, then you're looking at 0.05813. That place, that's what I call reversal. Full reversal. But for now, I think even after this downtrend, the market can still recover. So take note of that, please. Take note. Okay, so let's see any other one. So on your IOST, it's on a downtrend for now, as it is. A downtrend for now. So I believe if you open your long position, you need to close it. So let's go to the next one. Next one we have Unify. I think I did this analysis yesterday. Unify. So for Unify, let's see. Open the chart. Yeah, look at that. So I said I did the analysis for Unified yesterday, and you can see on my screen already. It's there. I probably don't need to do so much. I already said Unify is on a reversal to the upside. In short, if you have money, you can decide to buy this coin for long term for the whole of June. So for the whole of June, my proposal for Unify will be around 20%. At least that's a good deal. 20%. Just be patient. Now, if you're trading on futures, by now you should be on the buy position. Should be on the buy position, and your TP, your potential TP is around 4.832. 4.832. So don't miss that. Okay. Ahmed, you're still the one that asked me this question yesterday. So don't miss it. Don't miss this, guys. So let's go to the next coin we want to analyze will be Fifi. Fifi. Okay. Let's see. Let's look at that. Is it Fifi? Okay, yes. Okay. Is it Fifi? Is Fit Fee, not Fifi. Fit Fee. Yeah. Fit Fee. Okay. Okay. So this is the 4 hour time frame, and the Fit Fee is on a downtrend, but I can see a very strong support around let's say 0.00775. Okay, 0.00775. So wait for that support to hit, then you can place your buy around that area. You can place your buy around 0.07758. Yes. So look at, can you see that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So here, pick this out. So uptrend. This is it. So for Fit Fee, just wait for that. Okay, this is what I'm going to do for you. Use what we call dollar cost average. Dollar cost average. So you want to do what we call swing trading. Swing trading on Fit Fee. Okay, you want to do what we call swing trading on Fit Fee. Okay, so go all the way here. Yes. Yep. So you see 0.00656 is a very good buy price. I can assure you, if you can buy at that, if the market actually push all the way down there, it's going to be a good deal. You can set your limit order to 0.006564, right? You can see this is a triple top. You can even call it multiple tops. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see that? Multiple. Yeah. So if for now you can't go short. For now, you have to go and wait. In as much as you've not placed your entry around let's say here, around here, that's 0.009855. Those are your entry. But since you didn't place your entry now, then you want to go and prepare for the uptrend. The downtrend is already, the market is already descending. So go and wait for the ascending side. That's how you make profits. I hope this is very cool for you. Okay, the next one will now be SEA. Let's go for SEA. SEI. Okay. Let's check what's there. Open chart. Okay, this is the 4 hour time frame. So this is a bit dynamic. It has a look like head and shoulder. Head and shoulder. This is it. This is the left shoulder. Yes, you can see that it corresponds with the right shoulder. Okay, it corresponds with the right shoulder. So let's check the overall trend. So the overall trend is consolidation. Consolidation. You see, if you look at this market, it has a lot of potential. Yes, it has a lot of potential to pump. So let's see. Okay. So but I think this market is still going up. This market is going up all the way. So you can just do this from here. From here, you have to be very patient. Yeah, you can go all the way to 50%, or let's say 30, 40%. 40%. This coin is going to give 40%, I can assure you. But you just have to be very patient. Because as it is, the market is currently consolidating. Okay? This is what we buy. This is what we call the demand zone. The demand zone. Okay? And when it comes to demand zone, you buy. When it comes to supply zone, you sell. Okay? So that's it. You can see that already. Very simple and straightforward. So the next one will be BNB. Yes, BNB. BNB has really been doing well in the past 7 days. BNB has been doing well in the past 7 days. Okay. Let's go here. Okay, yeah, can you see that BNB has really been wonderful? So I don't advise you jump into this trade, in as much as you've not get involved from 600 for BNB. This is it, 600. Now the current price is around 710. 710. That's about how many percent profit? That's about approximately 20% profit. So if you've not got involved when the market was consolidating, I see no reason why you want to jump into it for now. Okay? So for now, you just have to just relax. Don't just leave it for now. The reason is because the coin has already pumped. So as we speak, it's not posting any this chart. It doesn't look as if the coin want to go short at all. Okay, it's still looking as if it's want to continue to go long. So if I want to trade this, then I'll put this here. So by 1 a.m., well, if this candle close above, is likely to continue the uptrend. It's likely to continue the uptrend. So I don't advise you trade it for now. Just leave it. Except you're already on the trade, then that's fine. If you're already on this trade, you can continue to hold. You can continue to hold. The next one will be Mavia. You guys are really dropping a lot of coins today. Mavia. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, Mavia is also consolidating. You can buy for long term. You can buy for, that's what I advise. Instead of missing all these profits, okay, you can buy for long term, at least minimum 15 days. You can buy this for 15 days. This will give you a lot of profits. You can target around 20 to 30% for Mavia. So I don't advise you trade this coin on futures. I recommend you trade it on spot. So that's for Mavia. Alice. So let's check for Alice. Okay. Yeah, Alice. This coin has really pumped so hard. So it's already on a downtrend, and it doesn't look as if it's going to recover. It's not reversing anytime soon. It's still on a downtrend. The only time this coin will reverse is if it closes above 2.129. If any candle that closes above 2.129, then the coin might probably pump. So let me add this to my watch list. I'll add it to my watch list. So the next one will be Avo. Avo. AEVO. Evo. Okay, so this is an uptrend. So just put this here. Yeah, I think by now you should be on uptrend on this coin. Should be on uptrend on this coin. Now, another thing I can see here is that if this coin closes above 1.015, then the uptrend will continue all the way to 1.069, or let's say 1.07. 1.07. That's it. Because the coin actually is looking like the coin is recovering. It's recovering actually. So if for you to go long on this coin, wait for the candle to close above 1.015. Then your TP will be around 1.070. Okay. So the next one we have on the list is call. I think I did the analysis on call this morning. On call. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, you can see that. Now for call, I already predicted that call is on a long position. And if you were in the class this morning, by now you should be cashing out from this coin. If you're not cashing out, then I don't know what you're doing. Long is on long, it's going up. Okay, it's going all the way to the top. So your TP1 will be around here. Your TP1 will be around, that's take profits. Your take profits should be here. Take profit 1 will be 1.9832. 1.9832. So if on the 4 hours time frame, if one candle close above the 1.9832, then you can continue to hold all the way to 2.1. Okay, so for core is an uptrend. Don't stress yourself. So we have Luna 2. I think I also did the analysis for this yesterday. Luna 2. Let's see. Okay. Now look at this. For Luna 2, it's also uptrend. Yes. In short, this is hot cake. This is hot cake as we speak. Just buy the coin. Don't stress yourself. Just buy the coin as we speak. Just buy the coin. So if you're scared of buying the coin because of drop, you can just dollar cost average. Dollar cost average the coin. Dollar cost average. Yeah, the coin is going up. And I believe that it's going to hit 0.67. 0.67. So the next one we want to have. Okay, Ahmed, you said you were not around yesterday. Okay, that's fine. Notcoin. Let's see, let's look at Notcoin. Let's see. Okay, so our advice, don't trade Notcoin for now. Just leave Notcoin for now. Okay, leave Notcoin for now. It's because the reason is because Notcoin will probably get manipulated, so don't stress yourself. Okay, Bonk 1000 Bonk. Let's check 1000 Bonk. Let's check Bonk. Okay, yeah, I think I have an analysis on Bonk. Let me check. So it's currently on a downtrend. Downtrend all the way. So for Bonk, just stay away from Bonk for now. Just stay away from it. Maybe for now, nothing is happening on Bonk. Let's wait for this coin to regain its balance. Wait for the coin to regain its balance. So that's it, guys. Okay, so I hope you guys you're taking all this I've explained, you're taking it home and you're paying attention to what you're trading. All profit all the way. So that will be it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.